it's your girl Sim Marie, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I am super excited to say I have finally been invited to the Facebook Reels program. Yes, I did a video on it a couple of months ago, so we're gonna run through that video so I can give you step by step the things that I did to go ahead and get my invite. Let's go. I want to start off by saying check your email every day. Once you sign up and let Facebook know that you're interested in being in the bonus program, make sure you check your email every day. And I say this because I applied in March, and today, which is June 9th, when I was scrolling through my emails and I seen the invite. I received the invite May 7th. It's June 9th. I was slipping and slacking. And I do this content for a living, and I slacked on myself. But anyway, what I'm saying is make sure you check your emails every day, every other day, because I almost missed it. My bonus ends July 9th. I could have been making so many reels from May 7th all the way to July 9th. But I didn't check my emails, doing other things, putting out content every day, and I slacked on myself. So I only have a couple weeks to make the money. Now, it says that my bonus play is $1,200. That's cool with me because I'm going to make that bonus, and then I'm going to go further to the next amount that they give me. So I'm not tripping on that. But make sure you check your email. Do not be like me and only have a few weeks left when I could have months to run the money up. But it's all good because there's going to be more opportunities to come behind that. So I'm starting now today, and I'm making bonus reels like crazy. So let's take a look at how my invite look. Okay, so I checked my email today. Boom, the email is from May 7th. I open it up, I'm reading it. I'm still not sure what it is because it didn't say like big words, you're invited. So I'm reading through the email, and then I see, I'm like, oh my God, I've been accepted, I've been invited. So I opened it up, and then I put my banking information in, and now I could start making the Facebook bonuses. But I did not know, so make sure you check. Please make sure you check so that you can get it going as soon as you get invited. Not like me, got 2 weeks left because they had 2 months, but it's all good though. So yeah. So let's start off with the requirements first. In July, we announced that we are investing over $1 billion in creators across Facebook and Instagram through 2022. Starting today, we are offering Reels Play, new bonus programs on Facebook and Instagram that allow you to earn money for the reels you share. Reels Play on Facebook will pay a bonus to eligible Facebook creators whose reels get at least 1,000 views over a 30-day period on Facebook. Reels from creators in the invite-only program must meet our content monetization policies, and the content must be owned by the creator in order to count towards the bonus. The Reels Play on Facebook bonus program is currently invite-only. Creators who are invited will be notified in the Facebook app and in Creator Studio and can sign up to learn more. Okay, so now you know the requirements. Now let's step over into the things that you need to do to go ahead and get your Facebook Reels started. Well, step 1, you need to create a business Facebook page. Yes, you need a business Facebook page to upload your Reels to begin the monetization process. I will say this, having the business page is not required, but if you're planning on doing this for a long time, a business page is your best option. You are allowed to do it from your regular profile, your regular Facebook page. You can upload your reels on there. But if you're thinking about taking this for the long haul, it's best to go ahead and get you a Facebook business page. Okay, once you have decided to make a business Facebook page, invite your friends, share it. Allow your friends and invite your friends to come over and like your business page. The more engagement, the more views, the more money you can make. Okay, so once you set up your business page, then you set up to where people can follow you, then you need to go ahead and start posting reels, just like you would do on any other platform. Just start uploading your reels. And once you upload, don't stop there. Share your video. Put it on your main profile. Share your video. Let your friends and family share your video. The more shares, the more views, the better your chances are of getting monetized through Facebook Reels. Now let's talk about the do's and the don'ts when making Facebook Reels. Now, some people don't know this, but I'm gonna let you know. You have to upload original content. You cannot take content from another platform and put it on Facebook Reels. It will not be counted as original content. It has to be original content. Now, some people do go and do these little programs where they can get the watermark took off of the content. If you can do that, that's fine. But if not, please do not upload content from another platform because it will not be counted and considered original content. Now, there are apps that you can use to take the watermark off. I know there's one called SnapTik, and then there's also the TikTok downloader that you can use to take off the watermark, because that's the only way that you'll be able to use that particular content. When I first started doing Facebook Reels, I did not know that I wasn't able to use content from TikTok. So I uploaded content from TikTok onto my Reels, and it got 11K within so many days. But guess what? I couldn't get monetized because that's not original content. I know it's so easy to pick up your content that you already used and upload it on another platform, but when you're talking about money, they're very strict about it. So make sure you use original content. Do not use copywritten music. Do not use anybody else's content but your own. So now it's, how do I join the program? So the link will be down below, and then I'll give you instructions on what to do once you click the link in the bio. Type in Facebook Reels, and then it'll come to this page, and then you'll scroll down, click Programs, and then you'll go down a little bit further, hit Bonuses, and then it'll take you to another page, and then you'll just scroll all the way down. It'll have information on the program. As you're scrolling down, you can read through that, and then you'll get to an area that allows you to pick your Facebook account that you want to use for your Reels, and then here you'll do your name and everything, and then you'll press Submit. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Now go ahead and start making those Facebook Reels and get to the money, because the money is there. Facebook is trying to get everyone to come back over to their platform, so they are making it a way that we can run the money up and make big money. So go ahead and start making those Reels, and make sure you follow those steps. If you have any comments, please comment down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can. If you haven't already, comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sim Marie is out.